items for this morning. First is the report of the Congressman Sulit, which we are going to visit. And the second part now is the implementation of the 2009 KBP President's Income Program.
Ano yung operator on? Okay. Hindi naman nagkapare. Nanong grade mo? So grade 5 classroom ini. So this is a grade 5 classroom, General Yesa. This is a grade 5 classroom. So, adiwala. O, yung beto ng anak mo, nanong edad na? 20, maragol na. Something in student classroom ratio yun. At nag-asawa pinima yung classroom. Okay, so congratulations, Principal. Good. At ing tata mo, OFW naman. Locally naman.
Saudi Arabia.
In Saudi Arabia. Locally din Saudi.
Tabuk.
Got